morning. As last week I updated about our patterns which Nifty going to break. Currently we are in fourth stepping down pattern, and in last few sessions Nifty showing good amount of strength, and it is about to break even. And there is a crucial points about 17,372 and downside 16,800. So these are crucial levels. That levels will be decide next direction of the index. If index managed to close above the level of 17,380, then we can go for the long positions and winding up our bearish positions. But in case Nifty showing bearishness and give closing today or tomorrow below the 16,800, then we are keeping our bearish positions, because there is some developments in global market as well as in domestic market as well. In global market, almost US market and European markets are making new highs even after the fear of COVID breakout. European countries getting daily new highs in coronavirus cases. Even that, their indices making new highs, and also US S&P 500 making new highs on daily basis, even after there is a fear of COVID. So these are the some points which may turn around for the index. So this trend lines, there is a three trend lines which I draw on the daily charts. This is first trend line which going through the high of 19 October and 15 November, and this is second trend line which going through the high of 15 November and 13 December, and this is third trend line which is very recent, uh, which going through 13 December high and high of 24 December. So we already crossed the third trend line, and we are waiting for crossing the price range of index all three trend lines. Once all three trend lines will break by the index, then we definitely go for the new all-time high for the index. So we can play with our long positions with the stop loss of 16,800, and if you have bearish positions, if index try to manage give closing above the 17,300, then you can wind up your bearish positions and go for the long positions. This is update from my side. If any other development happen in the market or in global market, then I will keep posted it. So till now, bye bye everyone.